My name is Igor Lumertz and I'm here to show you how you can save thousands of dollars when repairing dents on your Rivian truck. I did a little research and I came to find out that these types of dents cost between $20,000 and $40,000 to repair at a body shop. Now be aware that not all technicians can do these types of repair. The metal is very hard to manipulate and sometimes it can become even worse. Our process can take between 2 and 3 days and it's all done paintless. We save the original painting and factory finish on your car. Feel free to give us a call for a free estimate. And you can check the full videos of all the repairs on our Instagram page and also on our YouTube channel. Just search for PCH Dent Repair. And thanks for watching.